Welcome to WeBuyHouses.com, the easy way to sell today. Our process is fast and simple. To get started, provide your property information. You may contact us via the WeBuyHouses.com website by phone, text message, or email. However you choose, we'll respond quickly and we will schedule a time to view your home. Before we come out, we'll do research on your property and prepare a competitive cash offer. Then we'll visit your house and finalize our offer based upon current condition and other factors that affect the value of your home. Once our walkthrough is complete, we will give you our cash offer. We'll offer the most cash we can for your property in as-is condition. You won't need to make any repairs or clean up the yard. You are under no obligation to accept our offer and it's guaranteed for 30 days. If our offer meets your needs, great! We will buy your house, quick and hassle-free. We can purchase your property immediately or on the day that works best for you. From start to finish, we can put cash in your hand in as little as 10 days. Contact us today.